जाने की कसम सच कहते हैं, जाने की कसम. Can life get any better than this? This here, alligator. That's a piece of wood floating in the river, buddy. A log. Damn, you need your glasses. Bikya humne likha hai, darkan bikya humne likha hai. Dil ki nazar se, it's my life and it's your life. It's our life. हम रहती है अपना नसीब तुम्हें कहते हैं, आपकी करीब हम रहते हैं, अपना नसीब तुम्हें कहते हैं. Another beautiful morning here in Georgetown, Guyana. Beautiful sunrise, beautiful sunshine. I am on another adventure. Now look at the truck there. You see stove and other supplies and cooler and them things. We're going on a board watch tour in the MAHAICA River. I made a stop here at LBI to pick up some ice, gas and other things. Alright? I'm right at the junction here, man. Hope you guys are doing alright. You're having a fun-filled day. You're being positive. Yeah, man, what's up? Life can't get better, my buddy. How you doing?
Yeah, buddy.
What's your name, man?
I see man in the car, Rastaman.
Rastaman.
Parika Stelling.
Yeah, man. Pleased to meet you, alright?
Yeah,
you want
buddy.
to shout out them by Parika Stelling there? Big them up?
Yeah, buddy.
Alright.
I want to walk on some of the hassa.
Get some hassle?
Yeah, I want some Florida hassa.
No problem, brother. No problem. Right off, fan there, man. And look, we got another fan down here, too. This man here is another fan of the channel, too. What's going on, buddy? What's your name, man?
Kemo.
Kemo?
Yeah.
Pleased to meet you, man. Popular Facebook girl and fellow YouTuber Sandy Backyard from Florida.
Yeah.
That's your niece?
Yeah.
Alright, pleased to meet you, man.
Yeah.
I keep watching the ARD show, buddy, alright?
Yeah, buddy.
Appreciate
Yeah,
it,
man. I like it.
Alright, man.
I just do some wonderful things, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you. No
Not only
problem.
me, I say that. A lot of people.
A lot of people, yeah. Appreciate it, man.
Alright, go ahead.
Keep watching, buddy. Thank you. Alright. You say you want something to drink?
Yeah, man, I'm old house with you, man.
Old thousand?
Old
Come true, man. Come true. Yeah, so hope you guys are doing alright. Join me and let me go celebrate yet another adventure.
Your wife like your bar too, man.
Well, shout them, man. What's your name?
Baby Ali Moon, man. She's a great fan of ARD. She's watch every show.
Big up to you, darling. Alright?
Yeah, plus she like the Florida hassa.
Whenever I go back to Florida and I bring back, no worry. I keep you in mind.
I'm gonna let you go up on YouTube and see this video.
Yeah, my buddy.
Alright.
Passing through the famous market area here by Monrepo's Market. Look at all the greeneries there, by freshness. You know you're in Monrepo's or Guyana when you see all them nice freshness there. It's Sunday morning, 8 o'clock. We're 1 hour behind time. Now the sun looking all sharp there. I love the weather, which means we ain't gonna get wet with rain. If the waves wet me, it's alright, but not the rain. But joining me, part of the ARD team, you got the man over there.
What's up?
One and only, yeah, Mr. Singh. Singh is king, boy. And Miss Singh.
Hello.
I live in my best life.
Living my best life.
If you didn't know, well, now you know. That's our newest YouTuber in Guyana. Please check out the girl channel. Living Ma, M-A, best life. Please check her out. Show her some love, right?
Thank you, guys.
Alright. Couldn't get any better, bye. We're going on a board watching tour today. My boy Leanne Moore and Hafiala Williams. Y'all missing out on this trip. We would have loved to have Leanne Moore on this trip. You know, with all the knowledge you have with the birds. We are hoping to see the national bird of Guyana, which is the kanji pheasant, also known as the stinky nana. The locals call it stinky nana. So we are journeying on. We got to team up with Mr. Bisham and Miss Rashid Bisham and Miss Lynch, Megan, Selena and Mikey coming up to join us. We got to team up with my boy and the lovely wife Seema and Krish, and of course the man who providing the tour service. We in the Hoop Road, boy. see the road wet. And look at the clouds there, boy. I don't like clouds up in this northeastern direction at all. No good. I hope the rain don't fall, boy. I hope. Come on, Lord. Send away the rain. Give us sunshine. Finally, we made it to MAHAICA Creek. Right by the health center here. Boy, you want to all the planting tree? You used to got a lot of planting tree down here. The Billa Dam. Oh, nice, nice. Look the man himself here, one and only boy. And look the man Jack from Titanic. Yeah, remember Jack that sank with the Titanic? The man's right here. We gotta find Rose now, boy. So we got, you know, we got things in the truck that we gotta offload, and we gotta wait for Miss Lynch and the rest of the crew to come up. It used to got a lot of planting tree here and banana tree and thing, man. So the build back down right through so to avoid floods. Gotcha. So, oh, both sides. Nice, nice. Alright. So we go in upriver. We're gonna watch the birds. The stinky nana. Known as the kanji pheasant, right? That's what they call it here in the creek. And which other bird we gonna see?
The board man will tell you the rest.
We ain't gonna see the other kind of birds.
You go call the name them. Yeah.
You see the other birds? Good, lovely. We in the river. The trip begins. So we gotta go and meet up with the big boat to begin the official tour, official board tour. And I want to say shout out to Mid Florida Sign. Alright? The man Krishna Singh. Big up to you and your company there, man. Thank you for this hat. Alright? If you need any sign done, lighted sign, neon signs in Florida, check out Mid Florida Sign. At the back there, boy. One and only, we gotta pick the plantain just now, right? Yeah. We got fish and chips on the menu today. Plantain and snapper, fried snapper and fried trout. We caught, myself and Captain Blackby and the rest of the crew, we caught those snapper and trout in the Atlantic Ocean by the Winey Mouth area. And here comes the rain, just in time when we reach by the man boy.
Only Tuesday time I'll hear them start done.
Start clean up and start make dam here. Oh, you and made already? Okay. They're making a road to go till to MAHAICA, or? Oh, they make one at the back. Lovely, lovely.
The contract award.
Award already. So you're getting a road at the back to go all the way to the main road. That's awesome. Look at this, boy. From the farm into the frying pan, boy. Yeah? From the farm to the frying pan all the time. Oh, look at that, man. I already made you right. Breadfruit. We brought the rain. Nice, nice. Look at that. Morning. Good to see you. What's up? This see my girl. Let me chef. Yeah, buddy. And this is the man. Boy. Now come here a long time. Look, this man get big, boy. Look at that. Alright? This is the man, hey, Chris, boy. Alright, so here comes we tour boat. This is a big boat, boy, to carry a lot of people. Alright, what's going on there, friend? Morning, man. How you doing?
Good.
Alright, this boat on a big boat, boy, could carry. How many passengers this boat to carry?
At least 15.
15. We're going up the MAHAICA River.
Up to St. Cuthbert.
St. Cuthbert Mission. And what board are we going to see? Can we board? Watching, you know.
Yeah, you can see kanji pheasant, you can see howler monkey.
Howler monkey.
Yeah, you can see some other fine birds.
Lovely, lovely. Watch we see boards on the way. And plantain, so we can see boards on the mission. Time to go pick the plantain. Alright. So when the plantain big and heavy, you just gotta prop the tree or brace the tree up, you know. So let's show you all how this man gonna pick this plantain here, boy. It's a big bunch of plantain. Aha! Look at that, boy. When you're frying, uh-huh.
Well, bring them back for spread.
You gotta throw down the tree, right?
Yeah, me go throw it on later.
Alright, good. So once you pick the bunch of plantain, you gotta cut the tree down.
Yeah.
Because every tree only produce one bunch of planted. Okay, same with banana too. Off we go into the mighty MAHAICA River. And you see safety come first. So the gentleman there, Mr. Naresh. All right,
Yeah.
Captain Naresh. And your tour name is
MAHAICA River Adventure Tour.
MAHAICA River Adventure Tours, and you can be found on Facebook.
Yeah.
All right, great. MAHAICA River Adventure Tours. Mr. Naresh, you can find him on Facebook. All right, you get all the details there if you want to go on one of these tours.
Hey guys.
So this right here, you can find them online. MAHAICA River Adventure Tours. You can get them on Facebook. All right, right here. And you see the kanji pheasant there, the bird. And look at the phone number, 625-2660. They have email, so you can get them on WhatsApp. See, these are tours that they already did to the Pakuri mission there. We're picking up the other passengers here. Everything good? Okay, let's stay a mission now. Yeah. What's back on you, Akrid? We are loaded up. We are about to begin the journey. Couldn't get any better than this. Let the journey begin.
Are you ready to continue this journey with us? Come on, let's have some fun in the sun.
Yeah. On the road again. Look at this deck here, boy. Real nice. Imagine having a barbecue up there. You got the stove, you planted, you got them fish ready back there. Fun time, man. If this looks like fun, it's a lot of fun. Now we just usually come down here to fish by the pontoon here. Oh, this boat tour from?
Yeah.
Oh, I know this place, man. This auntie just cook duck curry and so. Yeah. But by Leon Moore, just come here, man. Nice. Uncle do tour for a long time now, for real. And Liam Moore told me they do tours here for real since then, back then. So this place is in existence for a long time now, at least more than 5 years now.
Yeah,
but it wasn't advertised. We're making a stop here. We stole foot brake. See? We gotta well it back. So Uncle got a welling thing there. We gotta well it back. Don't you worry. While you're here with this tour, you want duck curry, you want balanja, chokan, roti, anything you want, dal puri, right here. Auntie cooking it. Alright? You're dining right underneath here. You got hammock, you could rock, you could relax, and enjoy whatever food, Creole food you want, whatever Guyanese food you want. She make it right here. Alright? Later on, they're gonna make a deck on top of the river there, so you can enjoy the waterways. Can life get any better than this, eh, boy? I guess not. So we in the river, we moving with a lot of speed. We just repaired the stove, Uncle well up the stove for we there. Boy, this is amazing. Trust me.
Hi.
You enjoying the tour?
Yes, so far so good.
But you didn't want to come?
Huh?
You didn't want to come? Miss Lynch back down really work good every day.
I didn't think that the water would be
They're smooth? Oh, okay. You thought it was rough water?
right.
No, we ain't catching snapper, darling. Catching Lokanani is smooth water. So we got another crew passing by there. Somebody got a boat tour or something there as well. Whoa, the waves. Here come the waves, mister. Hold your back. Hold your back. Hold your back, girl.
Hold your back.
Got you. Alright. So you get some bumpy waves when you pass another boat, alright? So our captain telling me, that building that's showing there?
Yeah.
Grass Hook Primary School.
Yeah.
So what happened to it?
It used to be, but after constant flooding in the river, I think was in the year 2000, somewhere around 2005, 2006.
Had a big flood, yeah.
The government,
They move it.
They relocate all the residents
Oh,
from this area.
way up to the front.
Yeah, they send them, most of them is at Hope on the East Coast.
Oh, Hope on the
Yeah,
Hope
so
on the
it's
East
kinda
Coast.
abandoned right now.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right, great.
So
Thank you.
Grass Hook. So
Grass Hook.
there were two other villages where people were living. It was Karapa and Johoop. We used to come to the school.
So they all moved to Hope.
Hope on the East Coast.
Lovely. All right. And look at all the beautiful flower tree here, bud. Wow. Hey, you looking for Rose? Jack? Looking for Rose? Look at Rose over there. Roses. Fresh.
Over, right?
Wow. Beautiful, man. The grass hook. So, Mr. Naresh just bison? Yeah. Mr. Naresh just give us a little history here of the village here. Grass hook. We spotted some howling monkey. Look, not sure if we could. Look, them boys in the tree there. You can see them up there. I'll have to use my camera. GoPro don't have a zoom, so I hope you guys can see them here. See that? The howling monkey. The Sunday them by relaxing, having fun. Nice.
I'm starting to we go.
Maybe what you doing at the top there, girl?
Look, everybody with the camera out. Yes, looking the howling monkey.
Don't worry, we'll give you the footage. Your camera can zoom, so we zoom for you.
Yeah, I know. 15 minutes into the tour. How is it?
Amazing.
Simply amazing. Simply amazing. Yes.
You see, you don't have to travel abroad to have fun. You can have fun right here.
Right at home. Now this is evidence that there was once life here. The people was once living here. Or people were once living here. See some, some old houses, some structures still down there. Still standing after the constant flooding, as Babai Naresh would have told me. The government of Guyana moved the residents to Hope on the east coast of Demerara, which was one of the best things they ever did. Yeah! We got another tour going through there, man. MAHAICA River busy, boy. Look tours, there's the second tour going out there already. We are here with no other than MAHAICA River Adventure Tour. So if you want your tour, check them by out. And the phone number is 625-2660. 2660. 625-2660. You can WhatsApp them or you can find them online too. I'll just show you all on Facebook. Check them on Facebook. Book your tour early, because this is fun time. And this tour include stove and plantain and so on. You can walk with your stove and your plantain and your fish, and you can fry and your music box. This tour you can walk with your stuff. Alright? Or they can make the duck curry for you, or the balanchi choker, whatever you want, they make it for you. Trust me. This is Lama Creek.
Yeah, it's gone into the conservancy from where they had actually blocked the creek.
Yeah.
Into the conservancy. From here to there is 5 miles. There's two channels like this in MAHAICA River. There's the Lama Creek and there's the Maduni Creek.
Maduni.
That is where they used to release the water before the Hope Canal was built. This one here is 5 miles to the conservancy. The Maduni is like about 25-30 miles from here.
From here.
The river. And Maduni Creek is like 7 miles into the
Conservancy.
The river to the
Conservancy. And from where we started off to St. Cuthbert Mission, how much miles?
Like about 55 miles.
55 miles.
Yeah.
Lovely. And with 150 horsepower, how long it takes you?
You take like an hour and couple. But what happens when you go up like about 3/4 way the distance? The river is very narrow.
Narrow, so that take your
you have
time.
Thorns and stuff, you have to go a bit
Slower.
Yeah.
So about an hour and 15 minutes.
Yeah, right.
Tops. Lovely. Thank you. So you heard it there. We're having an awesome time so far. Aren't we, folks?
Not yet. I gotta swim first.
You guys swim?
Yes.
Any fish named Alicia?
Yes.
Which one?
Me.
Okay. Gotcha. Yeah, dolphin. Hey, we're having a fun time so far. Trust me. And Mr. Naresh knows his stuff. We already saw the howling monkey. We see the Lama Creek. We're waiting to see the stinky nano. Our national bird, the kanji pheasant. Here comes the rain. It's raining. We party in sun and rain, and we don't care what the weatherman say. We rain. It rain, it's raining. You're the fighting for front seat. Up in. Check the rain. Check the rain. Come on down there. Rain, rain. Right. Enjoy it. Enjoy yourself to the max, cause you never know. Alright. Rain time, fun time. We made a stop here. This is a little creek here, and Naresh telling me the government of Guyana.
Yeah, so the government, what they did, I can't remember the exact year, but through MMA, they put in a canal from here. We're like about halfway of the journey to St. Cosworth.
Alright.
They put in a canal from here, going into Port, leading into Port Bible Canal, which comes out on the public main road by Cottage.
Correct.
But if you take the canal, it's very short.
Bible Canal ka biya Maikoni.
It's between MAHAICA and
Maikoni.
Port Bible Canal.
Alright.
Yeah, it's linked to Port Bible.
And it's for the farmers to get
fresh
water for the rice lands.
Yeah, in the dry season.
Lovely, lovely. Alright, so this is the canal right here. And what's the name again?
Kulisarabo.
Kulisarabo.
Yeah.
That's a Amerindian name? I guess so. Kulisarabo. Creek right across there. Alright. So in the meantime, we're halfway through the journey. We're gonna start preparing the plantain. So when we get to Pakuri, landing, we're gonna be frying. And when you're frying, you're frying. Thank you, Lord, for the sunshine. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Well, thank you for pain. Alright. How can life get any better than this? Y'all saw a friend boy picking this plantain a moment ago. In the meantime, I'm gonna peel it. So when we get to the Cosworth mission, we start frying.
Well, season.
You don't season it.
Season with
You
love.
marinate. Yeah, with love. Okay, from the farm to the frying pan. Alright, so we have a little diversion here. Always remember one thing, you follow the broad creek, right? The broad river. So this is
This is the Maduni.
Maduni Creek. To the right, to the left here is the Maduni Creek, leads to the Conservancy. And they say about 7 miles from here to the Conservancy. Lovely. Alright, so
And we are now entering Amerindian Reservation. On our left is Amerindian territory.
from this creek go back is this in Cosberg territory?
Yeah.
Got you.
But on our right, the Amerindian territory is more up.
And here the funny thing, that's region 5 over there, and this is region 4 over here. So our little waterway, a little channel, a river, the MAHAICA Creek, separates 2 regions, 5 to the right and 4 to the left. Wow. And this is a Bermuda Triangle, because you have the Amerindian Reservation over there, right? St. Cosberg Reservation, region 4 where we belong, so where we live, and over here region 5. Wow, this is an important point, the triangle. The journey continues. You all enjoying so far?
Yeah.
Like I sleep. Let me hear, are you enjoying so far?
Yeah.
Lovely.
The eating and drinking behind the scene.
Y'all eating everything at the back there and drinking, we ain't getting nothing in front. Why are they promoting? Them fellas drinking out everything at the back there, eating while we busy cooking at the front here. Alright. We reach at an intersection here where the river splits. And Naresh is telling us.
Yeah, so this it could also on my right it could also take you to the mission. But it's a longer route.
Takes longer.
Yeah.
Alright, so we gotta go the shortcut.
Yeah.
Lovely. Because I know the long route because I've been here already.
Okay.
Alright. So we heading to the shortcut now. Lovely. So if you're coming in from the river, you see the little savanna thing there.
Yeah, this area is called Maruni.
Maruni.
Yeah.
And once you come, don't take the right channel, take the one to the left. Keep on the left. So we're staying on the left. Alright.
So you'll be taking directions from the house coming out back way.
Lovely. Lovely. No, from here it's very, very complicated because I would have drive from the landing out here fishing. I know this area, but it's very difficult for me to remember the channel. But we can try, don't worry. I'll send the drone up. I'll see where we there. Alright, so we're taking the left channel instead of the right channel. I know the right channel, but I'm not going to learn the left channel. So let me show you how the left channel. This is the shortcut. This is the channel I know. I know the shortcut actually. I know the left channel, not the right one. And we would have fished here already. You would have seen one of my video. I think it's named Getting My New Boat. And we came out here trying out a new boat. We were fishing right alongside the river here. Wow. Yeah. But you got a lot of thorns and a lot of little channels that could confuse you from here. Let me see. I'm going to try my best to show you guys how to get into the Coast Guard mission when you reach to this point. And this is the fine part of the river. Not sure if I'm going to be able to show you all the river, the journey. I remember fishing down here.
The creek that divides the Amarina Reservation from the state land. It's called the Marooney Creek.
So this is the Marooney Creek divides Amerindian lands from state land. Yeah. Lovely, and this is the creek right here. I fished here before, but we didn't catch nothing. We came up to here.
So as from now we are fully
in the Amerindian mission. Got you. We're totally in the Amerindian mission here right now. Got you. All right. So we are officially in the Amerindian Reservation or Conservation. We fish here, me and my fish pro and my partner Avinash fish right around here. But we didn't catch nothing because it was pre-Father's Day, the day before Father's Day. And we came in here. But we didn't catch nothing. The water was so high. So remember, you stay to the left. Alright? This is another junction I just passed there. So you stay to the left, so we gotta slow down because you know the creek is narrow, you got wood in the creek. So we gotta go very slowly. We are already cut up all the plantains, they peel them and cut them up, awaiting our arrival at the Coast Guard mission, 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. We are waiting our arrival to Pakuri, the Coast Guard mission, and then we're gonna fire up the stove and we're gonna start cooking. And when you're cooking, you're cooking. We reached another intersection here again. Let me see where you're gonna keep. You see that? You keep it on the left. You're not going right. You stay on the left. I'm just showing you all how to get to the Coast Guard mission from the MAHAICA River. Okay? The rain drizzling again.
I think they should put up like every intersection, they should have like a sign.
A signboard?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll talk to the show for St. Coast Guard mission.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, like me. I know I'm gonna left around.
Gotcha. Alright. We reach another junction again. Now, yet again, you're not going to the right. You're staying on the left. So once you're heading in, always remember, stay on your left. You're gonna get there safely once you keep to the left. We made a brief stop at the middle of the river just because we had to get a bathroom break. So make sure y'all get a portable bathroom like this one. See that? I'm not gonna tell you guys who in the bathroom, but at least y'all could see who missing from the boat. Who is not in the boat.
It wasn't me.
It wasn't me. So make sure when they come on these tours, you know. And this boat provide bathroom. All right. Naresh provide bathroom as well. MAHAICA River Adventure Tours got bathroom service. All right. So you can enjoy. You could be. You don't have to worry. You're worry free. Isn't that so?
Yes.
All right. Shot man, look how you're smiling. A moment ago you used the bathroom yourself. All right. So, bear in mind, so you don't have to worry if you have bathroom issues. This boat come with bathroom. Another intersection, another junction here. We continue to stay on the left. We continue the journey into the river. From here, you're gonna start seeing houses, you know, civilization. All right, we would have been here fishing already, me and my man, Fish Pro and Avinash. When the kids taking a dip by the landing here, man. Nice. So this is the forest house, or the forest set of houses here, more than one house here. As you head into the creek, we don't have a long journey more. You know, we're gonna get there short. So you're gonna make a right here. You see got the little cut here, so it's the forest right you're making instead of left. Alright? So we almost to the mission. I see a nice landing coming up, the scenery there, man. Looks really pretty. Now look at this. Look at this little landing thingy. Somebody live here, yeah. Wow, we got some houses here. You know, beautiful as can be, man. Nice. Imagine these folks, man. The quality of life here, living on this river. Couldn't ask for anything else. Trust me. But you see that? Those banks eroding, erosion is happening. You know, the current, you know, and the heavy rainfall. You know, the water, the strength of the current washing away or eroding the sand on the banks. So you gotta make left again. You have a right there, but you're making the left again, alright? So just after the houses, you're making a left. So only one right we made so far. Alright? So you gotta really know the river. You just can't come in here. You might get lost if you don't know the river, okay? So I'll make sure I'm gonna show you guys how to get into this river. Now you follow the broad channel here. See the right? You got a little thing to the left there, don't worry about that. Stay on the broad channel. Or the broad river. We got some guys that farm down here. And across here, you see some sucker tree up there, banana planted. We call it sucker tree. I hope the video is not too long so I can show you the entire ride here, how to get into St. Cuthbert Mission. When you're coming through the MAHAICA River, is one river all the way, but when you reach the Marine Conservation, that's where the issue started, you know, with all the little channels and little creeks. So we see some signs of life. Oh, this is a hydro here. So we're almost to the landing, darling, like less than a minute away from the landing. Yeah. So this right here is the hydro. Guyana and the Ministry of Agriculture, they have something that used to be here, the hydro, and this right here is St. Cuthbert Pakuri Mission. Oh, and there's store number 4. We got tour number 4 on the river. So this river real nice, man. Pakuri Mission. To my left there is the Paul's landing. So, but you're Hannah from Guyana. How can life get better than this, Mike? Yeah, my buddy. What you got people in front there, Mike? No problem, buddy. Big things going on here in Pakuri, man. Landing busy as ever. We got some fans at the top there, man. Them fellas know the ARD show, alright? Oh. So, you know, we got a lot of folks to do today. You want me to go? You want to go here? Or you want to go by the man Paul landing? The landing is busy, so we're gonna go to Hannah from Guyana's farm. My man Paul and Beth, big up to you guys. I know you're in Scotland, so we're gonna head across to your farm. Okay?
Give you updates on the farm.
So, if you didn't know, Hannah from Guyana Life on the Farm is another Guyanese YouTuber. Please check her out and show her some love, alright? Very good friend of mine. So we're gonna go into the farm. Hannah from Guyana Farm. The landing is busy, and with the music playing, y'all know copyright does cause some trouble for we YouTubers, right? So they have loud music there, which is awesome. They're celebrating. I respect that, but we have to go somewhere quiet where we can record without music, all right? We're gonna take you guys down this river, further up river to the bridge, the crossing bridge, and then we're gonna come back and go on the farm. Now, this right here is Hannah from Guyana Farm, yeah. Right here, we can go under the shed there and we're gonna do everything. We're gonna come right here and we're gonna camp, we're gonna fry with fish, we're gonna lime, and then we're gonna make it back out. Now, you guys know the Demerara Harbor Bridge, Bridge Region 4 and Region 3. And the Barbies Bridge, Bridge Region 5 and Region 6. But how much of y'all know we have a bridge down here, that Bridge Region 4 and Region 5? This bridge, I don't know what the name is. Let's say it's the Locono Bridge. What the bridge name? The Kissing Bridge. The man planting says the Kissing Bridge. So we got a Kissing Bridge, bridging Region 4 to the left and Region 5. That's how close the two regions are. Guyana have 10 administrative regions. Region 1 to 10. Region 1 is Barima, Waini, Pomeroon, Supanam, Essequibo Islands, West Demerara, Demerara, MAHAICA. That Region 4. MAHAICA, Barbies, Region 5. East Barbies, Quarantine, Cayuni, Mazaruni, Pataro, Siperuni, Upper Takutu, Upper Essequibo, Upper Demerara, MAHAICA. That Region 10. I know them. I missed any?
By your brain sharp.
I learned that back in since in 1980 something. I learned that. So this here bridging
Geography class you.
Demerara, MAHAICA to my right, and to my left is MAHAICA Barbies, and that's the Kissing Bridge or the Locono Bridge or Pakuri Bridge that bridge the two regions. All right. So we made it here finally to St. Cuthbert Mission, known as Pakuri Mission. Y'all having fun? In the sun?
Fun in the sun and the rain.
Let me hear I say yeah yeah! Alright, don't make too much noise for the Amarin and come to the arrow and bow and think we have some deers or some wild hog. And they go on hunt we. Hey, we having a fun time. Trust me. We heading back to Paul's landing. Boy, and look this house there by overlooking the creek. Can life get any better? Imagine waking up to that indeed.
You jump with your bed right into the creek.
We gotta bring back that tune. Raymond Ramner right in the house. We on the boat tour, the MAHAICA River, with no other than MAHAICA River Adventure Tour, taking us safely through the rivers. Big up to the captain, the man Naresh, one and only. Let me see what I go on there. Are you dance? Music, wapping. I like how you feel cold. That feel cold, right?
I hungry or what?
It is not fun, people, but I should stay home and I better lock up and watch TV. Alright, buddy, alright. Jaane ki kasam sach kehte hai. Jaane ki kasam. Can life get any better than this? This here, alligator. That's a piece of wood floating in the river, buddy, a log. Damn, you need your glasses. Now look at top there. But my Paul got the cabin there, man. You can rent this place, you know, if you want to come in here overnight. You can rent Paul's cabin and you can stay there for the night or for a weekend, you know, and vibes. Life can never get better than this, say, boy. Mohabbat. It's another entrance here to the cabin when you come, alright? It's a private property. Aapke se kaise bataye aapko hum kya mane dhadkan bhi kya humne likha hai dhadkan bhi kya humne likha hai dil ki nazar se. It's my life and it's your life, it's our life. हम रहती है अपना नसीब तुम्हें कहते हैं आपकी करीब हम रहते हैं अपना नसीब तुम्हें कहते हैं. Alright, so we heading back across here. We're gonna fire up, we think, you know, Paul got shed and everything for we, the cabin for we. As I mentioned earlier, the landing too busy, you know. The loud music, because of all the copyright music, we can't be around there. So we're gonna stay here, more private. 14 of us on the boat. Man, we're gonna have fun time here. We're gonna have fun time here. It's a big party, all of us.